Use the nearest neighbor algorithm starting and ending at vertex B. What is the total distance of that circuit? Okay, so we're starting at vertex B, and then we have to find the nearest neighbor from B, in other words, the shortest distance from B. And we have a 700, 525, 670, or 550. So 525 is the shortest distance, so D is the nearest neighbor. So I'm going to write down 525 right here. And then from D, here we'll cross out that 525. Then from D, we want the nearest neighbor, so we have 400, and then 525, we already did that one. And we have 430 and 475. The next nearest neighbor is 400, which would be C over here. So I'm going to write a 400. I'm just keeping track of the distances that are being traveled. And then from C, there are two possible choices left, either 510 or 675. 510 is closer, that would be vertex A, so that would be 510. And then finally to vertex E, which is 450. Then you can't forget the return trip back to B. So from E to B, that is 670. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add these. You could use a calculator if you want to, but I already have them lined up here. Might as well just add. So 5 plus all those zeros is 5. And then 2 plus 0 plus 1, that's 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, so put a 5 there. Bring the 1 up here. That's going to be 1 plus 5 is 6. Then plus 4 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. And then plus 4 is 19. Plus 6 is 25. So that's the total. For that circuit, the nearest neighbor algorithm is 2555 right here. Okay, so review the process. You start with B, and then you just do the nearest neighbor for each vertex after that. And then you make your circuit, add the distances to find the total distance of the entire circuit.